Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Capcut couldn't load tab to try again. So to fix this issue, first of all open your Capcut app on your mobile phone, and after that you will see the project history on this section. So just make sure to clear all this history. Just click on the button along with the space and just click on select and select all the project, and once you select all the projects, after that click on move to trash. Let's say I've selected all the projects and click on move to trash, and after that click on view, and on this section just select all the project and click on delete. And once you have deleted, just try again and hope so your issue will be fixed. And if not, simply go to the app store or play store of your mobile phone, and once you go to the app store or play store, just make sure to update your app. And if it is not up to date, just click on update. And if it is updated and you are still facing the issue, what you can do is just simply delete or uninstall the app and try again, and your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple process of how you can fix that issue.